Afternoon everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon. I'm here in the wonderful world of Christchurch. There we have a rather nice priory. Here we have lots of trees, beautiful part of the world, which is probably why I'm from there. Anyway, today we're going to have a look at this absolutely wonderful 2012-2013 Windy 26 Kharma. Windy built a phenomenally cool boat called the 25 Mirage, often cited as the best handling boat in the world and all that sort of claptrap. Anyway, went really well, great little boat, went like for shovel, and as diesels involved and all the rest of it, Windy had to sort of up their game, and they came up with the Kharma. So let's go have a look at her. So we're here ashore. We've got a single Volvo Penta duo prop outdrive here with stainless steel props on it. That's linked into a Volvo Penta D3 220 diesel, so it's pretty sprightly in performance. She tops out at about 40 knots plus minus. We've got the wonderful Windy branding here, yeah, she was called the Kharma. She uses exactly the same hull. Those of you that are aficionados will obviously immediately see this, but this is a Mirage hull. So slightly different moulding at the back end, slightly different bathing platform, with bow thruster tunnel in here, moulded in anchor locker at the front. So we've got the electric windlass, and we've got a really nice self-launching anchor. Sits up here, all the stainless packaging. There's some stainless chain inside here, little striker plates so you don't dent your lovely boat. It's a really super fine V. Full profile, super soft riding, and she is a really nice one. So we sold this one at new, we then sold her again to her current owner, who is deciding to pop on up through the Windy range. Sensible chap, so that is why this beautiful girlie is up for sale. Cockpit drains here, they make a wonderful sucking sound as you sort of wang the boat round into a hard bend. Diesel goes in here. She's fitted with a holding tank. You've got midships cleats. As you can see, everything is done beautifully. So LED lights here, LED lights at the aft end. We've got your typical Windy quality stainless throughout. So your engine air intakes here. You've got these really neat little rails here. So they're great for either hanging fenders off, stop you scuffing your nice stainless here, and for ropes on the back end for warping up to. Bathing ladder goes in here. This one's got a ski rack on the back, and she's also got a neat little locker in there for things like dusters. Shore power goes in there. She's got a little Master Volt charger on board as well, and as it says here, she is 26 number 8 H month 213, so she's a 2013 boat to a 2012 model. Right, here we go. So she was spec'd at new with the upgrade Niroxx here. So this is your charcoal. It's a marine super suede. It's got contrasting stitching on here, which is really nice. So full white hull, dark grey cockpit. Got your typical Windy beautiful table here. Just open that out. Absolute trademarks. This beautiful super varnished mahogany. That neatly pops away just underneath there. We've got a locker in there for odds and sods. Little pull out isotherm drawer fridge underneath the helm seat. Helm seat here, bolstered. This one is also bolstered. I've got the bolster down on that one, so that's your nav seat, but you're really tucked down, and it's a really nice place to be. So you can see that the screen here comes up nice and high, so any water coming in just shoots straight over the back. We've got a little sink here. This used to be, from memory, mahogany, but I think the varnish has gone on it, so that's been painted out to grey. C90 plotter in here, bow thruster, trim tabs over there. This is all your management system for your Volvo Penta system. She is a category B boat, which means she's offshore for 7 persons on board. She's got Seafire automatic fire suppression in the engine room. This is your little fusion system with your speakers out here. So this is kind of your helm position. It's a brilliant helm to steer from. It's really comfortable either standing up. Look at that, it's absolutely falls to hand. So wheel, throttle, got your trim on here, tabs here. It's a fantastically super stable hull, and we've got an offshore compass up here as well. Nice stainless steel rimmed bezels there. We go up through the foredeck through these little teak treads. Sorry, the sun's right behind me, it looks terrible, but there we go. 7.5 kg stainless steel anchor, Lima windlass, up and down here, up and down back there, foredeck hatch, nice teak treads down there. And this is why this boat is super social. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 easy in the cockpit, which is exactly how many people it's designed for. Teak throughout, so really nice underfoot. And we'll go and have a look at the engine, which sits underneath here. So this boat has a canopy system that encloses the entire cockpit. So this neatly is called our easy deploy, and that sits in there. So it's a 2-piece canopy system with a back end that zips in, and you can make the front go away and all that sort of stuff. Volvo Penta D3 220 horsepower diesel engine, just serviced for 2025, so the belts are nice and slack there. Windy, we always put this really nice drip tray underneath everything, and then you've got the sump for the hull down there. So you've got automatic and manual bilge pumps, engine bay fire extinguishing, 2 batteries in there, and these really neat little mesh bags, so you can put either warps or fenders in there. You've got your battery charging and your shore power coming in down there, and again another wrap there. And those of you with really good eyes, which I don't have, there is a shower in the aft end there. It's just cold on this boat, but just for washing yourself down after you've popped in. The table leg here goes in to these 2 little clips there, and that all neatly just pops away. And especially with this on top, it's a really quiet engine. So it's a super sociable boat. Right, let's have a quick look into the cabin. So she's got a double permanent berth here. It's all really nicely trimmed out. We've got LED lights, got that opening hatch there, bit of contrasting trim at the forward end, dressing seat over on the starboard side. There is a little locker in here, which is quite neat. And then underneath here, there is a wonderful thunderbox, which is, he says, not being able to get in there. Just like that. So that's manual flush Jabsco loo, holding tank and fan and all that stuff underneath there. As you can see, it's a really neat, I mean, it's not palatial because it's a 26-foot boat, but it does the job. It's all really neatly trimmed out. Opening hatch there, light switch at the forward end just there. And this is Mayfair upholstery, which is the preferred favourite choice, and this is all really nicely done in Alcantara. No real marks that I can see on it. She's always got a little decam boxes in here. Just coming out here, yeah, we've got the fire extinguisher underneath there, super safety conscious. You got another speaker for your fusion system there, twinkly winkly little lights around the cockpit. That's that little drawer there. Yeah, this is, as said, the wonderful Windy 26 Kharma. Great fun boat to drive, great family boat. She picks up her skirts and goes in weather that will keep a lot of other boats in harbour. She's available through Berthon now. Many thanks for watching.